Alright, so I'm going to try and show how to fix your iPhone charge port if it's loose, intermittent, or it's not plugging in, not charging properly. So usually what happens is debris gets into here and it's hard to see because when you plug the cable in, it's kind of like, a musket or something where you kind of like push the dirt or the gunpowder into there. So when you plug it in, it's actually just compacting the lint all the way into the bottom. So first what you want to do is look inside the port and see which side has the contact pins. So as you can see, the pins are on this side. Okay, I know my fingernails are dirty, but whatever, I used them to pry the phone open just a few minutes ago. But here you can see there's the pins there. So what you want to do is you get a needle, and then I kind of have a curve in this. You don't have to have the curve in it, but you want to make sure that the side you're scraping on is not against the needles. So I take the needle against the wall. So the wall is towards the back where this finger is. Okay, so what I do is I take the needle and then I kind of scrape towards the front, okay, away from that, so away from this side. And then you kind of just pull up whatever's in there. So usually, right now I already cleaned it out, but this happens very often. So I see where people things isn't charging, they think something's wrong with their charge port, but it's always just debris. It's very rarely the charge port is broken. So sometimes you'll get something stuck in there, like, or people break the charge port in there, then that's kind of a little bit more difficult to remove. But yeah, so take the needle again, and then you just scrape in and kind of just lift out the gunk. Again, avoiding scraping. You don't want to scrape into the back there. You can scrape towards the front since the pins aren't there, but you just do that. And usually what you'll find is big balls of lint will come out. And once you pull out that lint, your charge port should be fine. So hopefully this video helped you guys. Sorry. If it did, please like and subscribe. Help others find my channel. This goes for like all the iPhones. I think ever since I don't remember if the iPhone 4 had this kind of charge port, but the 5, 5S, 6, 6S, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, not there's no 9, I think. Then the iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, they all have this kind of charge port and they all have that kind of charging problem. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.